Greetings to everyone who's watching. We are Group 12 from CSE 510001 Software Engineering, and today we'll be presenting our project 86 No More a Kitchen Intelligence Solution. And this is the project that we'll be working further and improving upon. So we'll start the application now. And as you can see, it's going to open in a couple of seconds. Yep. So that's the UI we have for the current application with the with the application name. So the first option we have is to register for the application, and we can enter our name. Let's say Adam, or let's say Abraham, for example. And then let's give him an email ID. Let's say ab123@gmail.com. And then we can give a restaurant's name. So we can say AB's Kitchen. And then password, confirm password, and then sign up. And we can see that Abraham has registered and is successfully logged in to the application. And we have different options here. And this application is basically for restaurants to keep a track of the items that they're having in their inventory, and also to dispose of, that is 86 their items which have gone bad or expired. So this is very useful for the restaurants, and in particular for Adam for this use case. And if we click on the first option, this is the add menu item. So if Adam wants to add a new item on his restaurant's menu, he can do this by just giving the item's name. Let's say chicken, and quantity is 20, and then the price is $12 or something. And as we can see, the database has been updated with the latest information entered by Adam. And as we can see, the data already exists on the application. This is from different restaurants. And the second option is add inventory option. So if Adam wants to update his inventory or the stock, he can just enter the item's name. So let's say oranges, and the quantity is 10, and the cost per item is 12, and the date bought is 9/9/2020, and the date expired is 9/9/2023. And if we click on save, and if we check the inventory, yeah, we can see that AB's Kitchen, that is Abraham's own kitchen, has the item oranges, cost per item 12, and the expiration date and date bought and the quantity. And if he also wants to keep a track of the graph of the items, so we can see the analytics from this graph. And if we add one more item, let's say to the inventory, we'll say grapes, and quantity 12, and cost per item is 2. The date bought is the same again, just for the sake of the example. 9/9/2023. Okay. We can see that the grapes also has been updated in the inventory, and we can see the graph for both oranges and grapes. And there's one more option for the notifications. So depending on the item which is expired, there'll be a notification popped up for the user saying that the item has been expired, so that they can 86 the item from the restaurant. And also, if an item has become low in stock, let's say we have an item chicken, and quantity is just 2, and the cost per item is, let's say, 12, and the date bought is 2023, and expiration date is 2023 again, for example. Yeah, we can see that chicken has expired on 9/9/2023, and we're also running low on the quantity. Chicken's quantity is low. So depending on this, the restaurant can restock their items. And there's one more option, which is an update item option, which is currently not working on this application, but we'll be further working upon this to improve it. So if we want to update the inventory stock, we can just enter the item's name. Let's say chicken, which is already present in the inventory. And if you want to increase the item quantity to 12, let's say, and click on save, in reality, the database should have updated. But as we can see, chicken has not been updated. It's still 2. So we'll be further working upon this to improving this application, and we'll also be enhancing other features. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.